Yeah, this is what we want to draw. Draw this. So what I'm going to start with the vertical construction line. I can change my color to by layer. I'll go vertical. I'll go construction line. Right click, horizontal. I'll go horizontal. I'll start with my center. First circle here is going to be of radius 2. I'll go radius 2. Radius 2. I'll go back to the drawing. The next radius for this one is going to be radius 3. I'll go radius 3. Good. Next thing to do is to cut off these points, and it's going to be of angle 10, but to the vertical that angle is not going to be 10, it's going to be 10. It's actually going to be 60 here. And let's see if we go angle 80 from the horizontal. Let's go construction line. Let's go angular. Let's go 80 and see what's going to do. No, let's go angular 10 and see how it's going to be. You got it there? Right. So you got 10. So between that and the other one, you go another 10. I'm sure this one be 10, 10, 10. Good. With the, we'll continue the drawing. We'll say, if you look at this, this is the 10-degree difference between this and this. And I'll go horizontal. I'll go continuous line. I'll go angular. I'll go 10. So from the center here, then. So next I'm gonna go angular, I'm gonna go join G from the same center. Good. So from there I'm going to trim. Mind it, I'm gonna trim from here as well. Oh no, that might not be the right thing to do, but that's gonna do it now. So there, can I undo? Redo. Oh God. I'll go angular 20. Good for me. How how about this? So look at it there from here. It's a reference drawing. Let's cut it from the other side of it. Yeah, over here, over here. So with this, I've been able to secure this. I may not need this again to complete my drawing with respect to that's all. What do I do? How many of them do I have? I have 3 of them. I can do the array of this. I'll array this. I'll go to cyclic array. That's cyclic already. You can hold down these cyclic paths and rectangulars. Cyclic. I'll select this shape. Next, I'll select the center of my array. I right click and say items. I say 3. With 3, you got all this redistributed in 3 pieces. That's what I have here. And that's what you're gonna find here. I wonder why it bends. Okay, it's not a big deal. That's exactly the way it is. Yeah. Okay. But this guy is actually not exactly why. Yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem. We'll do some extension. Oh, because it's already have to explode. After explosion, I'll do my extend, extend. Good. And from there, I'll do my trimming. Trim, yeah. Trim this. Then I do this. Oh no 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 oh no 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 no, that's not the intention. Trim there, trim there, trim there, trim there. Trim here, trim here, trim here, trim here. Good. That's this. I think we've been able to achieve this. Good, good. Good. So from there, what are we going to do? I'm going to take another sample of radius. That's what? Is radius 7, is radius 6. Take a sample of radius 6 and 7 respectively. 6, 7, 6 with the 7. And I'm going to take a construction line. I'll take I don't know even got it. But the next thing after I've gotten out these slots is to get this point out. I'm going to get the radius of 7 and radius 6 respectively to get this radius 7, radius 5 the internal, radius 7 here, radius 6 here. So 5, 6, 7, my radius circle that will form that. Let's say 5, so 5, 6, 7, yeah. You regen this to get normal smoothness. Okay. So from there, I'll get this to create an angle 60. From here, let me go 30 angular 30. Gonna be 60 angular 60, standing from down. So to give me the other side, I'll go angular minus 60 as well. Yeah. Oh, this is not pick what it is here. I'll delete this. I go angular construction line angular 60. Did not pick the right center there. Good. This is what is going to give you this. I'm going to cut all this half. If you look at this drawing, I'm going to cut off this circle. So I've got it circle that will form here, semicircle, I'll trim from here. So I'll remove all this. Yes. So I really don't need this down. The drawing does not tell me I'm going to need this. So I'm going to trim off this. Trim this. And this. And this. This is going to go by erase. Yeah. From here, I'm going to create a circle. And yeah, I'm going to create a circle. Take a center. And yeah. Trim. 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 Look at this. Now I've done this, we've done this. There we go, this. Now you're going to have a virtual radius of 6 as well. And after that, you're going to get a continuous line as well with 30 down. Let's see how it goes. Let's take a radius of 6, circle radius 6. Another one. So with this, I'm going to go angle 30, go 30 as the case may be. Let me go. Construction line, angular 30. See how it goes. How's it go for me? I go 30, yeah. Angle 30, that's how it's gonna go. Angle 30, that's go angle 60. Oh, 60. So between this angle and this angle, it's got 60. It's got 30. This is 30 and 60. Yes, so between this and this is 60, right? It's 30. So if that is the case, like it seems, so I'll go a circle here. And that circle is going to be our radius what? Chop down radius. Diameter 2 and radius 1, right? Radius 1 is 1, okay? So if there's 30, so we can divide them into this and say it's gonna go from here. However, you can say can copy from here. Say this guy go 30 here. So from there as well, and decide to say if this is 60, you can go 90. This is 60, 30. This should be 30 as well. I don't know what this can be. So you're going to, if this is your 60, let's go. 60 minus 6, that go angular minus 30, so to speak. I'll go minus 60. Minus 60, let's see what it's going to give me. Okay. So and you need how many of them there? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 30. I'll copy this. Again. What's happening? Again. Again. Okay. I copy here. I think yes. 1, that's 3, 4, I think 5. Is that what I have here? Yeah, good, correct. I have difference of 30 here. So from there, I think I've achieved this side. I'll achieve this side as well. Let me go. Let me do away with the enabling lines. I can retain the vertical and horizontal. I may even do away with this, but let me give a different color to. For now, I don't want to go how do away with it. So the next thing I want to do is to look for a circle, a virtual circle of radius. What? A virtual circle of radius. I will form this. What radius is going to form this? Radius 10. You can see. Radius 10. You can form this from here. I'm going to form this. Now let's go. Virtual circle of radius 10. Radius 10. So from there, you can region. What you skills in yourself. Radius 10. I need to get an angle. The same way I did the other time. I'm going to get angle 60 minus angle 60 plus. That will form the center of this face too. Or any of this. I will now region. I will now do polar array for how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll count it later. I have this radius 10. Then I'll do angular 60. I'll say 60 degree. Good of you. So that will form the intersection for the circle, center of the circle, and that circle that forms this is already as well. So radius 1.62 of them in 12 places. 12 places. So from here I'll go to polar array, select the object to polar, right click the center, right click to give the number of items. I'll say 12. With the 12 items, having said that, I can say enter. Having entered, the next thing to do is I can blow it. I may not even start with polar. I may not go polar now. I can say, okay, let me do some trimming from all the shapes, right? Good. So I will now go polar now with that shape in place. Click the center line, right click, item 12. If that is in place, I can accept that. I can trim all the way. Let me explode that. Maybe I will not struggle with my circle or my wood. No problem. You got it? You got it? I'll make it better later, but for now, let it be like that. Good. So with this, I can also say here to here, I can also use the principle of array to achieve this without drawing everything. I'll just say polar array again. Here, right click, enter, right click. That will not be 12 now. How many will it be? 12 or 24? That's it, 12. Right click, enter. So I have it done. So I can remove one of this. I'll remove this that is not arrayed. So with this, I think we're done with the drawing. Dimensioning will come later. At least we've done exactly what they wanted us to do here. You can see this drawing compared to this drawing. So I may need to scale it up a bit to compare, to put it side by side with the other drawing. Let me scale it by, let's say, 10. Okay, let me scale it twice the shape, this size. Let's say 2. Okay, I'll move it close by. That's it. Is there any difference? You got the same drawing you need to do here. I can dimension them, but I've actually been able to produce exactly what they give me here. You know? So this is how we can do, and we can do something much more better than this on facial bonus. You know what I mean? We can talk to us, we can interact with us, we can get to train, we can get to stuff trained, we can get so many people trained. You can call us on 0816793958 for training and service. Bye.